Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the headset has enough juice, plug it in until the LED indicates charging, then unplug. Once done, press and hold the power/multifunction button for about 3 seconds to turn it on. You'll hear a voice prompt or see the LED change color. That's your confirmation it's awake. Make sure you're wearing the headset correctly. The microphone should point toward your mouth. This reduces background noise and ensures the microphone picks up your voice cleanly for pairing next. You'll need to put the headset into pairing mode next. Hold the power or Bluetooth button until the LED flashes blue or a voice says pairing. Then, on your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and choose the Jabra model from the list. Make sure to select it as both phone and media audio if prompted. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone. Make a short call or play music to verify mic and speaker routing. If volume feels low, adjust device and headset volume levels. You're ready to use call controls and voice assistants. Learn which short and long presses trigger answer, hang up, volume changes, and voice commands so you can work hands-free. Make sure to install the Jabra app and update firmware periodically. Updates fix bugs and improve range. If something goes wrong, reset the headset to factory settings, remove and repair the device, and confirm the battery isn't low. If audio drops persist, move closer to the device and remove potential Bluetooth interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.